applying the alter key effect. In the alter key effect, we're going to key out a green background from a clip right back here. And we're going to composite it with another clip. And this is called the alter key effect. So you see I have a video here and I have a clip right here that has a green background in it. We're going to go out to our effects. We're going to go to our video effects. We're going to come down to our keying, and then we're going to go to alter key. I'm going to drag and drop that right on my green image here, my green screen. As you can see up in my effects, I have an alter key effect. All right, so if I come down here in my alter key, you see I have a key color. I have a little eyedropper here. I'm going to pick up this eyedropper. I'm going to come over here and pick up a color with the eyedropper. And I'm going to pick on that, and instantly the video that's down here called the beach clip gets shown through onto where the green is. All right. We do have some tweaking we can do down here. We want it to be composite, but we can come down here and do some matte cleanup and matte generation, etc. These are some a little more advanced areas for us to pick up, but for example, you know, in our matte cleanup is we want to expand that out. We have some things here that we can actually, that's in the matte generation. Maybe in the matte cleanup here, you can come up here and choke it down. This gives us more of a, it blurs the edge detail, gives us a digital haircut type thing. The soften actually puts a slight blur and blends in the foreground to the background. And we can do a contrast. We can make a stronger definition between the two, etc. So we do have a lot of little adjustments we can make to make this come a little better here. But the main thing is right away is just picking a good green color with our eyedropper, and we get this effect. Now you can see when I come down in here, I can just play a little bit of this. And you can see that that image now is being transposed or composited on the green screen. So this is a green screen effect, but the name of it is called the alter key effect.